Yongkang.Phipulo Industry and Trade Company Limited was established in 2014. The registered capital of 1 million yuan is a physical enterprise integrating design, production, and marketing. The company have building area of 35,000 square meters, monthly production of 60,000 doors. Our company is located at Wuyi County, China, near to Ningbo Port, having the advantage of convenient transportation. Now, the company has more than 120 employees, including 15 technicians and 20 senior management staff. We specialize in steel security door, interior door, Villa door, stainless steel door, fireproof door, and smart fingerprint lock. Since its establishment, we have always pursued customer first, quality first, innovation-oriented, integrity service principle. The customer enjoys a high reputation by introducing manufacturing facilities and absorbing advanced technology. Our company has upgraded the production capability. The company widely participate in various exhibitions, expanding the cooperation with customers. Our products are deeply loved by customers with fashionable style, stable quality, and high-cost performance. All the products are approved and provide product testing report. In the long-term development process, the company has established long-term good cooperation relationship with more than 300 domestic distributors and more than 40 foreign customers. Our professional design team is focused on meeting the customer's various doors customization with the enterprise spirit of responsibility, prominence, solidarity, passion. We try best to develop our efficiency and competitive to be a class steel doors manufacturer in China.